Hello, my name is Ryan.Calmont. Today I'll be talking about the website Kahoot. Kahoot was created by a couple of students that attended Norgate University of Science and Technology. It was a project that skyrocketed to the top in the first month, gaining over 30,000 people. Kahoot is for everybody, student or educator. It is for any grades K through 20. And it is for any subject, whichever subject you want to learn about or talk about. For somebody who wants to use Kahoot, I would say it is good. You should use it for studying, but also you could use it for fun. They have many topics. If you want to learn about Disney characters or animals or celebrities, if you want to just take a little brain break, you could take one of those little fun tests. So today I'm going to show you guys how to create a quiz. So right here, create a new Kahoot. I can make a discussion, I can make a survey, I can make a jumble, which I haven't experienced that one yet, or I can make a quiz, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a quiz. With Kahoot, this website is really easy to understand. Everything is there. When you take the test, after you get the questions wrong, it tells you what you got wrong. So it's good for students to really understand. So for the title, I can write rappers. I could put what type, the description to be more specific, so I will write hip hop. I'll put it for everybody, so you could just make it specifically for your class, or you can make it for anybody to take your test. Language, which you could put for any, there's a lot of languages, so you could choose which one. Well, I'm going to go with English since we're here. The audience, I will just put social. So you could also go pick a picture for the beginning of it, and I could just pick a random one, and let's just go with the cat. Let's go with music. They have music. There's a whole bunch of different types. Okay, we'll go ahead. To collab with this is easy. With you or anybody else, as you see, I can discuss with my partner what we want to pick, choose a picture, or do any of that. So right now I'm going to add a question so I can create a test right now. For Kahoot, all you need is a computer or a cell phone. Mostly how educators do is they go on their computer, hook it up to the smart board, they go on it, they take the test, and they allow their students to use their cell phone or go on the computer and take it. So for question 1, I can write who said the statement started from the bottom. And there's a time limit, and you see all these 20. I'll put 20 seconds for one, and right here I'll make it multiple choice, so I could write Lil Wayne, Drake, ASAP, or Snoop Dogg. So for me to pick the right answer, you click on the check mark, and that'll be the right answer that pops up. And I can go to next. And it gives me the ability to add as much questions as I want. So I'll make 2 more. Question. Who made the hoax? who made the most money last year, and I could write the same exact people in my multiple choice. You select your answer again, and also you can add pictures again for every single question if you want. And let's see, we'll choose a different one. I could just go with this guy right here, and then you can add it, and then just go to next. And you see how the picture pops up there. There's no picture for the first one. I'm gonna go add another question. This is the last question. Who is signed to Young Money, which is a record label, and I'm gonna write the same 4 people again. I'm gonna show you something different. You can actually pick 2 answers. If I want to pick all 4, I can pick all 4, and all 4 of them will be right. So I'm gonna go to next, and then I'm done with the quiz. So I'm gonna put save, and you could choose to play it or not play it. So we're actually gonna play it, so I can show you guys. That's it. And I have to go on my phone real quick. So now I joined, and we're going to take the test. So who said the statement started from the bottom? And now I could choose any color, whichever color I think is right. So I think is blue. And once everyone is finished, it shows you how many people picked green, how many people picked red or blue. But you go on to the next one, and it shows you your score. It has like a little competition with you and your classmates. Who made the most money last year? And let's say I put Snoop Dogg. It shows you the correct answer was blue. And it shows me that I picked green, but the correct answer was blue. And my score didn't go anywhere because I got it wrong. Who is signed to Young Money? And let's say I pick red. It shows me that red and blue is the correct answer, so either or I picked would have been right. And after you go to next, it tells me how much points I've made, how many questions I got right, how many questions I attempted, and it shows me my score, and of course I won first place. And you can get the results and see how many people did it, and that's Kahoot. For Kahoot, I will highly recommend Kahoot. Using Kahoot is really fun. It gets students on their feet. It makes them pay attention. They want to win. They get attracted to the music. They get attracted to the colors. As an educator, I will use it even if I was to substitute a class right now or do any of that kind of stuff. I will still use Kahoot. My rating for Kahoot will be 5 stars, and I highly recommend using Kahoot.